Hello Artsies, it's me Abhinav and you are in the channel Arts with Abhinav. Today I'm going to show how to make a bow tie with paper. You can make it and use it for your school projects, gifts or many other things. So let's begin. Here I have got a piece of square paper with 10 cm. Here you can also get a paper like this of 10 cm and we can use it for our bow tie. So let's begin. So first I will be folding it into half. Now I will be again folding it. I'll be opening it and folding it to another half. Let's make it clear. Now I'll be cutting it this one part, this one triangle. Now I have cut it and we are set this aside, and now I'm going to fold it from the middle, making it equal and making a curve in the side. Here slowly and now I have done. Now I'll be just cutting it till here. Just like this until here. I'll not cut it whole, but you can see I have left just a little. Now here as well. Now I'll be using Fevicol to this and this part. Now I have kept it here and I'll be taking it to the middle, so I have put a little in the middle as well, like this. And this, like I'll be pasting it. Now I have done it, and now I'll be pasting a white paper in the middle to make it look good. Here I have got it, and now I'll be marking here in the 2 cm and here in the 2 cm and cut it till here like this. So let's do it with our scissor. Now here I have done it and it's quite good. Hope you have also made it like this for your school project, gifts or any other things, and it's a very good result and you can try this and make a better one. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and comment your ideas and what you want me to do next for in the comments box below. So bye RCs for today.